Hi everyone, my name is Kushag Nagar. I'm a junior from Katy, Texas, and today I'll be talking about my app SavR. The primary goal of SavR is to reduce food wastage by helping users manage their food more effectively. This app empowers users to either donate excess food, cook it for personal use, or store it properly for extended shelf life. My target audience includes charitable and nonprofit organizations, food banks and donation centers, local community organizations, hospital and disaster relief teams, as well as the general public who want to make more sustainable food choices. For the backend, I have used Firebase and Gemini, and for the front end, I have built the app using Dart, Flutter, and C++. I have also utilized Visual Studio Codes and as my development environment and GitHub for my version control and collaboration. With this out of the way, let's jump into the app demo. When we first open the app, we are presented with the login screen, which gives us the option to either log in as a user or as an organization. For this demo, we will log in as an organization. Once logged in, we are directed to the organization information page, where the organization can enter its details and list the specific items or resources it needs. This information will then be visible to users within the app. For the sake of time, I have already filled out all the fields on the screen. We can now click the Save Organization button to save all this information on the database and make it visible to the users. After logging in as users, we are taken to the home screen where we can choose between two options, scan or manual entry. The scan options let us capture an image to automatically recognize food items, while the manual entry allows us to type in the food items ourselves. For this case, we're going to select the scan option and scan the following items. After taking a picture, all the food items are automatically recognized and displayed here. You can also add more items manually if needed. Additionally, below, you will see three main action buttons: Donate it, Store it, and Cook it. Let's go ahead and click on Donate it. We are now taken to the donation dashboard, where we can see a list of organizations whose needs match the food items recognized or added in the previous screen. You'll also notice that the organizations we created earlier appears here as well, since their needs align with the items we currently have. When we click on any of these organization cards, we are taken to that organization's detail page. Here, we can view key information such as their current needs, donation guidelines, and operating hours, as well as read reviews from other users. There's also an organization status dropdown that allows users to update their donation status for that organization. At the bottom of the screen, there are three quick action buttons: Call, Directions, and Website, which take users directly to their respective actions when tapped. Additionally, we can use the search bar at the top of the screen to quickly find specific organizations. Now, going back to the recognition page, if we click on the Store It button, we are directed to the Storage Guide screen. This page provides helpful information on how to properly store all the detected food items, including specific ingredient storage details, quick tips, and guidance on optimal storage conditions. By selecting any of these buttons, we can access more in-depth information about that particular ingredient or topic. Similarly, if we click on the Cook It button, we are taken to the recipe page, where we're presented with a variety of recipes generated from the food items that we have detected. By selecting any of these recipes, we can view detailed cooking steps, the list of required ingredients, and also the corresponding nutritional information for that recipe. At the end, the user can log out. Thank you.